children, welcome to Dhanya's Learn with Fun. Today I am going to tell you a story. The story of rain. Come, look at this picture. Who's this? The sun. Sun gives us heat and light. Have you seen water bodies on earth? Which are they? Oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, ponds, streams. All these water in this water bodies gets heated because of whom? Sun. Sun makes them hot. And what happens to the hot water? From the hot water, have you seen something going up? What is that? Steam. That is called water vapor. This water vapor goes up, up, up and forms into clouds. And these clouds will float in the sky. After some time, it becomes cool. After that, it turns into water drops. And those water drops comes down as rain. And this rainwater again flows into the water bodies. Okay? Again this thing happens. See the glass? I have poured hot water in this glass. Can you see the water vapor going up? Yes, right? Now I am going to close the glass with the lid. I am going to open the lid now. See? Can you see something here? Water droplets. Can you see? Hope you liked the story. We saw the water vapor going up from the hot water. Then we saw the water droplets on the lid. Hope you have understood everything. We'll see in the next video then. Bye.